Welcome to my channel where we learn a lot of things. And today we are going to be learning about how to use Canva AI Code to generate Bible games, Bible quiz for children. For children of, let me see, even adults can even play the game. So this is the prompt. The prompt is long. I'll be dropping this prompt. I'll be dropping the link to this prompt in the comment section. The prompt is long. When you're going to be using Canva AI, one thing with Canva AI is that your prompt must not be more than 4,000 characters. So let's go to Canva. I'll go to home, pata, then I'll come to Canva. Then if you're using your smartphone, right there on your dashboard, you will just see Canva code. So just click on Canva code. But here, if you're using your desktop, come to Canva AI, then come to code. Then if you're using your phone, just go to more. After the dashboard, go to more. Click on more, you see Canva here. Then come to code. Click on this code. So you come here. Then let's come here. Come to your documents and come and copy. And come and copy the prompts. I'll copy the prompt. Let me close this one. Come and copy the prompt. So we'll copy the first one. The prompt is long, so this is it. Just copy. Copy it right to this place first. Don't know why it's okay. I don't want to copy every. Let me just copy the one I can copy. I'll be copying a small grid. Let me stop at grid. I'll copy. I'll come to Canva AI and paste. Grid, it's okay. I'll come back to your test. I'll come back. I'll come to after grid when answered. Okay, I'll copy this. Copy. Come back to my Canva AI. Paste. Okay, let me close all these ones. The one that we don't need. Let me close this one. So yeah, so this one. Then I'll come back and make sure I copy everything here. Control C, or I click on copy. Just Control V. So we still have space. So then just go through it, please. Then still copy this. Okay. Copy. Come back here. Just paste it, Control V. So we still have more space. Come back here. Then font everything. Click on this. Make sure you copy everything. Copy. Come back to your Canva AI. Then space, Control V. Okay. Let's continue. So that's that. So that's first prompt. So once you are done, just come back and click on this submit button. Okay. So let's wait. Canva AI is going to do the work for us. All our own is just to get the prompt and copy the features, everything, what the game will be all about, everything. Then the result that is going to give me after the game, everything I've said, everything there, everything is right there and there. So Canva will do the work. So I can go to kitchen. I'm still at home, mom. I have 2 kids. The other one is 10 years and the other one is 3 years going to 4 years. So I can go and play with them now. I can go and do whatever I want to. I can go to kitchen and cook rice. I can go and do anything. Canva AI will continue to do it. I can continue. I can tell them to bring the assignment. Yeah, come, let's do assignment together. Hey, then I will leave. Canva AI will do the hard work, the hard part of it, writing the code. That's what Canva AI will do for us. So just wait patiently and go and do whatever you want to go and do. So it's creating the code. And can you do this using your smartphone? Yes, very, very well. You can do this using your smartphone. How do I get the prompt? Please check the link in the comment section or the description. I'll drop the link for you. The link of the Google Drive where you'll be able to copy, download the PDF to get the prompts to do this. So it's doing it too. Whatever I want to go and do, I can go and do it. Nothing will happen. Canva AI will do the work. I cannot prompt. I can only prompt. I cannot write code. Canva AI is going to write the code for us. Then is it only small children that this game can play this game? No, even the adults can play the game. Then is it only people of my age that can use Canva AI? No, even our grandmas at home can use Canva AI. Just tell them how to do it step by step. They can do it. They can also do it using Canva AI. They should just tell you the idea, what they want to create, and Canva AI will do it. So Canva is for everybody. So now I've created a beautiful. Sure, you see me, I did not do anything. I just said, do this for me. You see, let us see what's going to come out. You see it now. You see it. So I'll now go back. I'll now say, yeah, fine. Please just change the code, the design requirements, the color. This is the color I want. The secondary and everything. Make it elegant, clean, and modern. So I'll come back here. Yeah, Canva. Oh, yeah. I'll just click here and paste everything. I'll paste it and I'll submit again after version 1. But we are okay with version 1. Leave it and continue to play your game. Here you see. Esther. Correct. Well done. Next. George. So let's see what it's going to do. Let's see what George. So let's see. Here you see. The color has changed. You see the color now? Everything has changed. Bible times. You see? Multitude fed with little food. Better. No. Feeding the 5,000. You see it now? The next question. God cleans the earth with water. When was that? Flood. Here you see. Correct. Okay. So I'll now go back. I'll now say, fine. Majority of people, they don't have laptop. They don't have desktop. So what can I do? Oh, yeah. Please make it mobile friendly. Make it mobile friendly. Okay. I'll come back here. Make it mobile friendly. So that people that are using their phone can also use it. Okay. So I can continue with this one. Bet appeared in glory. This one. Yes. Correct. Became believer. Poor conversion. Yes. Young shepherd defeat giant world. That's David. David and Goliath. Yes. Contents of the month. Who was Elijah? Yes. See it now. Canva is doing their own. No. City walk last miraculously. Fall of Jericho. They are doing their own. Jesus died on the stake. This one on the stake. On the stake, not on the cross. So that one. So if you are not comfortable with the ones that you use, you can just tell it remove cross, put stake. Crucifixion. There are some words you might not be comfortable with. Just remove them with the right word. Just tell him, please. Anyway, you use cross. So that one is cross. So now it's mobile friendly. Please replace it with touch stick. So any words you're not comfortable, just tell it. It's going to do it. Submit. Is there anywhere you use cross? Something. Okay, anywhere you use the word cross. So please update. Remove the word cross and please replace it with touch or stick. Okay, so let's see what's going to do. So I don't know. You can actually work around this meter. So I can still look for a way. Please update. Remove the word. Let me just say and replace with touch or stick. Okay. Okay. So let me remove the please. Let's see. Let's see whether the please is too much for AI. Okay. I can still copy. Let me see if I can try it one more. Samantha. Like I have my baby here. She's disturbing me, but I'm still working. So that's it. So let's see whether this one will work. I place it with touch stick. So let's see whether this is going to work. So it's still the same. So let's just leave it. I'll look for a way to work around that. So I'll just come here. I'll play. I'll make sure the game is playing. Cleans the earth, the flood. It's okay. Correct. Next one. Judah taken captive. Exodus, exile. I think exile to Babylon. Yes. So you can continue the game. Then you come here for you to be able to send it to other people. Just click on publish, come to publish. Then you should have your site URL ready. So I'll click on this one. And if you don't have it, just enter the one that you'll be using. And if you are just opening Canva for the first time, this place will be new. So they will allow you to enter the URL that you want to use. The Bible quiz. Then I'll come to setting, visible on Google search, password, continue, so publish. So it is this link that I'll be sharing with my friends and my family. Anybody that wants to play the game is this link. I'll just copy this link and send to them. Okay. And even if I'm going to sell this game, it is this link that I'm going to sell. You see, this is the way it's going to appear. And I can go back, can say, please. Okay, but it's even okay. Publish, because once you start playing, it will full everywhere. So just publish it. So it's live already. Let me just copy and come here and paste. Sorry. So this is it. So you start, once you start the whole thing with wisest king of Israel. This is Solomon. Yes. So that's that. You continue. Next. Judge with supernatural strength. That's Samson. You see now. So even your children build an house before the great flood. That is Noah. So your children can even. So that's it. So please practice. If you don't practice, you won't know. So just practice. Then looking for the prompts, I'll drop the link for you to get the prompt. So watch out for this channel. You have a lot to learn. And this time, we're not just going to be learning for fun. No, we are going to learn to make money. Yes, to make money. I'll be dropping a link where I sell something like this, close to something like this, so that I can know that this is not just click and learn and Canva hacks. No, it's for you to do these things and make money. So see you next time. Subscribe, please.